how to get a job on Thumbtack. So here's pretty much a guide, especially for your first 2 weeks on Thumbtack, which will probably most likely help you get a job. So you'll learn all about how Thumbtack works, hear about their best tips, and see them in action through videos and activities. So if you want to see this specific part, go to your preferred browser and just search for Thumbtack help, and they will show you in a guide on more about how to get or how Thumbtack works. But anyways, this is pretty much how Thumbtack works, which will most likely help you get a job. Now, Thumbtack every day looking for pros to help them complete their jobs, so including you. So you'll learn the basics of Thumbtack and how to get your business in front of the right customers. So section 2 is pretty much attracting the types of jobs you want. So getting the right leads can make and mean a lot of different things. Firstly, do you know what your target market is and what your ideal jobs are? Learn how you can attract those customers to your Thumbtack profile. So there you can identify your target market, what kind of jobs would be best for your business right now, and after you've decided which jobs you want on Thumbtack, you'll use your targeting preferences to let them know which customers you want to be shown to. With targeting preferences, you will tell them the kind of jobs you want, where you work, and your availability. Anytime you add a new service, they will walk you through setting your targeting preference for it. You can always adjust your targeting preferences in your services tab. Select the service you want to check on, then scroll down and select travel areas, job types, or availability. All of these preferences create a complete picture and directly impact getting the best leads for your business. When you get a direct lead matching your targeting preferences, you'll be automatically charged. More about this in the next section, so it should be over here. Here you can attract your ideal customers. Now that your preferences are set, you're gonna know how to draw your ideal customer in. So pretty much your profile. Your profile is how you show customers you're the best pro for their job. Build an engaging profile and let customers know all about your business. Think about how you talk about your services and how your photos look from a customer's perspective. What would those customers want to see or read? So you're gonna get reviews. So before a customer decides to hire you, they want to know what it's like to work with you. So that's where reviews come in. You can also go ahead and upload photos. Think about the jobs you want and add photos of these types of job to your profile. Be sure to write helpful captions for each photo. If a customer sees a photo on your profile similar to what they're looking to get done, they'll know they can trust you to do their job. And get creative. Who doesn't love a before and after photo? Finally, you can manage your leads. So customers come to Thumbtack with work to be done. They answer a few questions and then browse to pros in their area. If a customer is interested in learning more about you or hiring you right away, they will reach out. But anyways, more info on how to manage your lead with your money, your checklist. Over here, you can manage your money, manage lead prices, budget, account balance, getting paid through Thumbtack. Everything you'd like to learn is pretty much in Thumbtack itself already. So if you go ahead and learn more in Thumbtack, that will surely get you a job or at least help you get a job in Thumbtack. But anyways, hopefully this video can help you. And if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.